my dear students. Let us begin Mathematics class 7, exercise 4.3 from that question number 1. Chapter name is Simple Equation. Solve the following equation. Dear students, they ask you to solve it. The first question is like this. 27 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. By seeing the question, you should understand that first you have to separate the variable. Before going to solve the problem, if you separate the variable, it is easy for you to find the value of the variable. Now, I am shifting 5 upon 2 to the right hand side. So, it is here plus become minus. So, 2, 7 is equal to, when denominators are same, so we can directly subtract 37 minus 5, 32. 32 upon 2. Now, this 2 I want to shift or I want to transfer to the right hand side. It is multiplication. It becomes division. So, 2 comes here. 2 2s are 4. Already 2 was here and another 2. 2 2s are 4. 32 divided by 4. 4 1s are. You have to simplify this question. 4 1s are. 4 8s are. So answer is 8. Y is equal to 8. Now let us go to the B question. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. As I told you, just separate the variable. So 5t if I keep here, 10 is already, when I am shifting 28, it become plus, become minus. So if when opposite signs are there, we have to do the subtraction. When we subtract, we will get 18. Greater value sign is negative. So 5t is equal to minus 18. Now we require t is equal to. So when t is equal to, we have to shift here multiplied by 5. So when we shift, it become division. So 18 minus 18 divided by 5. T value is minus 18 divided by 5. Now let us go to the C question. A divided by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Let us keep A divided by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, if we subtract, opposite signs are there, we will get minus 1. A divided by 5 is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Here it is division. If I am shifting to the here, it becomes multiplication. So 5 1s are 5. A value is minus 5. Now D question. Cube by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. So let us keep cube by 4 here. 5 is already here. Minus 7. When opposite signs are there, we have to subtract minus 2. Q is equal to minus 2. Then I want to shift this 4. It is divide by 4. So it is going to be multiplied. Minus 2, 4 is equal to minus 8. So Q is equal to minus 8. E question. 5 by 2x is equal to 10. 5x is equal to, I want to shift these 2. 2 is here division. So when I am shifting, it becomes multiplication. So 5x is equal to 10 into 2. It becomes 20. 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to, if I want to, then I have to shift this, it is multiplied with the variable. So it becomes division when I shift. So 20 divided by 5. 5 1s are. 5 1s are. 5 4s are. So x is equal to 4. Now let us go to the F question. 5 upon 2x is equal to 25 by 4. Now 5x, I am shifting these 2. It is division. So when I am shifting, it become multiplication. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Then again it is here 5x is there. If I am shifting 5x here, then it is multiplication become division. Here 5 1s are, 5 5s are. So what is left out? 5 and 2. So x is equal to 5 by 2. Now the next one is 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2. Now if I take if there is no denominator, we can consider as 1. If I take LCM also, I will get 2. So 2 1s are 2 13s are 26 minus 19. Hope you all learned these steps in the fraction lesson. So 26 minus 19 will get 7. 7 by 2. 7m is equal to 7 by 2. M is equal to 2 into 7. That 7 is going to come here. 7. So 7 upon 14. If we simplify it, 7 1s are 7 2s are. So we will get 1 upon 2. Answer M is equal to half. Now the H question, 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 10. If I am keeping 6z here, I am shifting remaining things. Minus 2, minus 10, minus 12. 6z is equal to minus 12. Z is equal to minus 12 by 6. So if we simplify it, 6 1s are 6 2s are. So you will get Z is equal to minus 2. Now I question, 3L by 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now here we have to separate the variable. This 2 we are going to shift here. 3L is equal to, division become multiplication. 2 2s are, then divide by 3. L is equal to 2 2s are. This multiplication become division. So it has also come 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So L value is 4 upon 9. We cannot simplify 4 and 9. So L value will be 4 by 9. Now the last question, J 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to, then 2b by 3. 3 minus 5, when I shift to the right hand side, it becomes plus 5. 3 plus 5 we have got 8. 8 2b is equal to 8. This 3 become multiplication. 8 into 3. 2b is equal to 8 3s are 24. 2b is equal to 24. Then b is equal to 24. This multiplication become division. So what is 2 1s? We can do it 2 12s. So answer is B is equal to 12. Hope you understood how to solve these problems by the help of separating the variables. When you are separating the variables, you have to keep in your mind when shifting from right hand side to the left hand side. Hope you understood. Thank you, my dear.